All right, welcome back, guys. Looks like we're going to be doing skill 10 today, which is nth root and fractional exponents. So I asked you guys to first rewrite using radical signs, okay, and exponents, then evaluate. Please give a fractional answer, not a decimal answer, because I know you guys can type this into the calculator, so I want to see some form of work instead. So here it says 16 to the negative 5/4. It's a little hard to see, but there is a negative, and that will always happen. Okay, the other thing that we want to note is a couple of exponent rules that you guys are going to need to know in order to accomplish this. The first one is how to get rid of the negative. So we have our rule a to the mn is 1 over a to the n. Okay, so what you guys have to do is like flip it from the numerator to the denominator, right, and vice versa. The other rule that we need is how to rewrite this using radical signs. So we have a to the m over n equals the nth root of a to the m. Okay, both of those are going to be helpful today. So for the rewrite, first you need to rewrite it using a positive exponents. So that would be 1 over 16 to the 5/4. Okay. And now we can apply this rule over here. So that for the rewrite, you're going to have 1 over 16. The 5 goes with the 16, and the 4 is like the root. Okay, that's all you have to do for the rewrite. You just have to know to flip it into the denominator, and you have to know what goes where. The evaluate part's a little bit harder, but I'm going to show you guys a trick. Okay, it helps to look at it in this form for the trick. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to circle the denominator. It's a 4. Okay, I'm going to draw 4 blanks. All right, so what this is saying is some number times itself 4 times should be 16. So I can think about it, well, 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 is just 1, but 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16. Okay, this has to be the same number. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and box the numerator, which is a 5. Now I need to take 2 to the 5th power, all right, or 2 times itself 5 times. Okay, right now I only had 4, so I need to multiply this plus 1 more. So now 2 to the 5th happens to be 32, but remember your answer is not 32 because all of this was happening in the denominator. So for the evaluate part, my final answer would be 1 over 32. Okay, if you wanted to use a calculator instead, okay, here's how you would show your work, all right, an alternate way. Right now you had 1 over the 4th root of 16 to the 5th, okay. In order to type this into your calculator, I would do 16 raised to the 1 divided by 4. Remember to put in your parentheses, otherwise it's not going to work. Okay, that would get you 2. All right, then you would have 1 over 2 to the 5th, which would also still get you 1 over 32. Okay, so a couple different ways you guys can do it. Make sure you are showing your work. But otherwise, I hope that helped, and good luck on your quiz Monday.